Alright everybody, this is an unboxing of the Swagtron Swagroller. I got it on Amazon. It came in I got it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It came in 6 days. It was supposed to come on Monday, but it came early. So I just do a quick unboxing since I haven't really seen a lot of videos out there unless I'm searching wrong. And then I'll have my my lady help have two different views. You know, somebody that doesn't really ride or do extreme sports, and then somebody that kind of does that once in a while. So here it is. Slowly picking it up. I don't even know this bag. Let's do this way. Pretty heavy. All right. So this is what it is. Right? Custom lights. You know, I got a great deal on it. It is April 8th, 2018. I don't know actually when this came out. Probably came out about over 2 years now. So a great deal on it. I could have got it on my local store, but I'd rather have gotten it through online and get my Save On points or my Amazon points. So what is it coming with? It's coming with a power pack. All right, with a power cord. Comes with your CD. Oh, comes with the training wheels. Let's see if I can bypass that, but comes with training wheels, 2 sides. Comes with a strap. I think this is a carrying strap. Oh, this is the training strap. You put it in the handle. I've seen videos on that. You put it on the handle so you can have a little bit of something to hold on to. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. A lot of them don't come with that automatically. Here is the Swagtron. Alright. So it's pretty protected. It says 30 pounds. I got a little scale I could use, but looks pretty good. So let me do all this stuff over here real quick. Wow. Okay. So that's the unboxing. I mean, if I'm walking, yeah, it's not that bad to walk with it, but of course this has the carrying handle, right? So, you know, oh wow, that feels very comfortable. That feels very comfortable. And of course, if you see any of the videos, it lays down just like that. Right, so you can leave it like that if you want to. So anything, that's just a video one. Unboxing, because I didn't see a lot of that. Comes with good stuff. So that, I mean, if you think about training wheels and things like that, I'm gonna follow by the book to make sure that it's fully charged and everything. And I'll read up how to turn the lights on and program it with the program. All right, so that's the unboxing. Hopefully that helps.